In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Minecraft Windows 10 Edition. This process is pretty straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as easy as possible. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Minecraft website. You can simply search for Minecraft official site in your browser's search bar if you're not quite sure of the URL. Once you're on the site, you'll want to look for a link that allows you to download the game. Specifically, seek out the option that says Downloads for Windows. It should be prominently displayed on the page, making it easy to find. After clicking on this Downloads for Windows link, your browser will typically start downloading the setup file for Minecraft. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a quick coffee while it finishes up if you have a slower connection. Once the download is complete, you'll want to open your Downloads folder. Usually this can be done by clicking on the Downloads tab that's located in your browser, or by navigating directly to your Downloads folder on your computer. Inside your Downloads folder you should see the Minecraft installer file. It might look something like Minecraft installer .exe or a similar file name. Go ahead and double click this installer to begin the installation process. Double clicking the file will open up the installation wizard, which will guide you through the necessary steps. Now, during the installation, you'll probably encounter a series of prompts that ask for permissions or offer options like where to install the game. I recommend just following the on-screen prompts. If you're unsure about any particular step, sticking with the default settings is usually a safe bet. As these are optimized for most users, just make sure you agree to any terms and conditions or permissions that Minecraft requires to set everything up right. After you've configured your installation preferences, go ahead and proceed with the installation by clicking on the button to install Minecraft. This part of the process can take varied amounts of time, again depending largely on the speed of your computer. Once the installation process is complete, you'll typically be given the option to open Minecraft directly from the installer. If so, give it a click and congratulations, you've successfully installed Minecraft Windows 10 Edition on your computer. There's a whole world of fun and creativity just waiting to be explored, and now you're all set to dive in. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below if you encounter issues along the way, and enjoy building your digital adventures. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!